Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. Yeah, we got a lot of deals here after the holidays. Still a lot left over. $2.49 for the circular saw, fuel, $4.49 with the 4-tool pack out. And then you got a $3.39 deal, and then you got that $29.97 bid set Milwaukee. Got some Advanti blades, 21, 34, 97, 1988 by Obi. And then you got these drills, 59.98, 69 bucks. These drills, actually, if you want to pay a little bit more, you can probably get the Milwaukee for 89 bucks, which is a lot better deal. I mean, if you're on the Ryobi platform, you need a drill, obviously get it, or only if you have the 60 bucks. Go ahead and get it. But if you want to spend a little bit more, 89 bucks or 100 bucks on the DeWalt's or any other top brand platform, feel free to spend the extra money. It's well worth it. You'll get a much better tool. You get some gloves there. Another Ryobi kit, basic kit for 79 bucks. Basically, it's a homeowners or home DIY type of thing. 99 bucks for that drill driver kit. You got a jump starter there, a Victor, some straps, some bolts, dead bolts for the house, and then you still got the buy one get one free, guys. You know, who knows how long this deal is gonna be up, especially at those prices. You got the 99 bucks drill driver and impact driver. Actually, they don't have any more impact drivers, but they do have the drill driver. Depending on your location, you might have them. And then for that, you get a free socket, 21 millimeter. For I believe it's under 15 bucks. That set, either metric or SAE. Then you got the two batteries for 79, and then you got the rigid. You got the two batteries, the charger for 149, regular price, but they are 99 bucks now with the free tool. So make sure you stop by and get it. You're getting that deal, especially if you're spending the money or getting the free tool that's more than 79 or 69 bucks. You're getting a good deal. You got two batteries for 99, Makita, 3 amp hour, or you got the rigid, 199. Drill and impact driver, oscillating tool, and then you got the oscillating blades there. 39 bucks, great deal there with the case. You got some gloves, guys. Make sure you protect your hands at all times, especially your knuckles. You know, don't bust your knuckles, your fingers. Don't scratch your hands. You know, you gotta protect whatever you're gonna be working with with all your life, basically. And a pair of gloves will soon, actually, very well help you out and protect your hands. $9.97. As I learned that on the other day when I went to the landfill and unloaded some tile. I cut my hand in two different places. I cut my hand. So I wish I had some gloves when in the truck. Obviously, I forgot them at home. But yeah, a pair of gloves, especially with this cold, will help you out too, because it's really cold. Some of the states are getting like super cold. I know the other day, last night here, it was 34 degrees, so it got really cold. It was one of those nights. These are nice. The Milwaukee, $14.97. They were $24.97, so now they're $14.97. They do have the protective layer of rubber on your knuckles, so you can protect your knuckles there. As you guys see, that is that rubber part. Really nice gloves. As a matter of fact, I gotta stop by and pick myself a pair, and they are compatible with touch screen of your cell phone. So if you want to use your cell phone with those gloves, those are nice too, from Husky. They do got that leather protective, and that's a 3 pair. Yep. Got the 2-day shipping on Ryobi or any other tool brands at HomeDepot.com. And as you see there, it's 99 bucks. What a lot of people are doing is they're just buying the kit, getting the tool for free, and then returning those batteries. It's up to you if you want to do that. But still, those batteries are smoking deal. I do have them. I just did the video. If you guys want to look at that, I'll see if I can link it up above. But yeah, you get your choice of the blower, radio, the belt sander, circular saw, the light, the reciprocating saw, angle grinder. All those are great items to get, guys. Yeah, there's a lot to choose from there. Even the hand router there, $39.97 for the circular saw edge guide. You got some gloves here, $5. Some more gloves, $12.97. Really nice. They do have the protective layer on the back. And they are leather, and those are grip. Got some safety glasses. The 3M safety glasses, really nice. Got some more gloves. These are cheaper, and you get more. 3 pair. Got some flashlights, $19.97. $19.97. And yeah, this one's actually cheaper. $12.88. It's not a bad deal. It's like the folding brown light from Harbor Freight. Got some batteries there, $14.98. Some more flashlights, $14. And then those $9.88, $10.97. A Fat Max for $22. Then you got some more rigid air filters. And yeah, the rigid kit went down too, from $199 to $169. So if you guys want to pick that up too, that's a great deal too. All these are great deals, but only the rigid and the Ryobi went down in price. Yeah, they don't have any more Milwaukee kits. That's the Husky nail gun, 29 bucks. You got the 12-piece spade bit set, $21.97. And then you got that one, which is the 18-piece for $19.98. You can tell right off the bat that the other one's a much better deal. That one you only get 12 pieces, and it's $21.97. And this one you get 18 pieces, and it's $19.88. Plus you get the pouch. It's a much better deal there. Then you got some more blades. And that is a good deal there, $19.88. It's a 96 piece. I only have one left. Well, a couple left. $12.97. And you got the Atomic. 99 bucks for that. 99 bucks. 99 bucks for the drill driver. A lot of great deals. I don't know exactly the price of that. I wanted to know, but I couldn't find the price. One Milwaukee, 12 volts, some bits. Yeah, that is the one that's really good deal. That's 89 bucks. And that is a brushless of 1/4 impact driver kit, M18. So definitely a smoking deal on the drill driver and the impact driver. So if you guys really need one, or if you guys want to pick up a drill, make sure you get one of those, because that's really low. It's really low in price. 89 bucks is probably the record that they have one. Really good deal. Maybe next time I come, I will pick one up for the channel. Definitely some great deals here at the Home Depot. The leftovers from Christmas. Yeah. All right, we got 25 piece 3/8 drive. Some more gloves. 1997. $9.97. Then you got that little toolkit for $9.88. At Lowe's actually it's $4.88. Something similar with another brand. I don't know if you guys watched my video from before. I'll see if I can link it up above. But yeah, they were $4.88 in clearance. It's a light duty hose. $32.97, your choice. You can choose from 12 volts to your car or the regular plug to your house. I would rather choose the one to the car because you're always going to be in your car inflating tires. $5.97. $24.97. Shockwave. Got some more 12 volts from Makita. Not a bad deal for the 12 volts. Me personally, I like to stick with one battery platform. I don't really like mixing 12 volts and 18 volts. There's the Milwaukee again. It's begging me to bring it home. Got some more Milwaukees. That is the charger and the dual battery kit. We only have one of those left. You got some safety glasses there. Anti-fog, anti-scratch. Yeah, I always have the problem with safety glasses fogging up. Got some blades. $5.97. Some more straps, $8.87. Utility blades, $19.97. Groove joint pliers, hammers for $5. Here's the pack out. Yeah, it went up to $2.79. Used to be $1.99. So it's up there again. It's a nice little kit there for $9.97. $9.88. The impact driver. Or the impact kit. $4.49 or $49.97 for those torque wrenches. Then you got those the choice of those batteries or the tools for $59. Not bad deals. Got some more gloves. Some more toolkits, mechanics. Impact sockets, $29.87. You got some more mechanic sets. A toolbox for $5.88. I'm just trying to go fast because I don't want to make this video too long. You know, it's you guys obviously if you guys stick with so far into this video, you guys probably like these videos. Just remember, hit the like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed. But yeah, you got definitely some nice gloves here. Milwaukee makes some nice gloves. I like the ones from the other side. They were 14, I believe, under $15. So definitely some great deals on that. You got the Flex Volt for $179. It's a 9 amp hour. $69. $24.88. And then you got the inflator. Yeah, they used to have this with the battery in a charger, but 50% off all in clearance, all the holiday decorations. So if you guys want to shop for that, $199 the Atomic and the Versa Stack. So definitely recommend that for you guys. Or Tough System, not Versa Stack, Tough System. For $199, definitely recommend that for you guys. It is a good price. You got some garden tools. That's the 40 volts and the 56 volt from Eagle. You got the Milwaukee and the Waltz. That's the 18 volts for 99 bucks. It's actually lower. That is the 4 amp hour battery for 109, which is a steal, not a steal because you can get the other kit with the free tool for 99 bucks with the two 3 amp hour batteries. And it's winter season, so we gotta gather up the firewood. There you go. There's other chainsaws that they have. Some Joby as the electric chainsaws. Definitely some great deals there. And that's with the charger. That's the Eagle. And 2 times faster. That's what it says there. But it's $129 with the battery and a charger. And then the tool only, I believe, is at the bottom. And those are the lawnmowers. Or the mowers. $199. That's the 18 volts. It's actually a really small one. Me personally, I would go full size. I wouldn't go that small. It's just not worth it. But yeah, $549 for the top of the line, and then $399 for that, which is not a bad deal for the Eagle. You got the blowers there, the 40 volts, 18 volt from the Joby. If you're already into the 18 volt platform, you got some more 18 volt there. Yeah, they got all kinds of different ones. And those are the edgers, trimmers. That's the clearance section. Not a whole lot of good stuff in clearance, to tell you guys the truth. Actually, most of the stuff it's actually higher than the stuff they have on sale right now. So not really the best. I was looking at this 6-tool combo kit, see if they were brushless tools, but they're not. They're brush tools, and for $49, when you can go and get yourself brushed or brushless for 89 bucks at the beginning of this video or towards the beginning. I think that was a much better deal than these. Anyways, I just want to share this with you guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.